Hi guys, welcome to Puliadi's kitchen. Today we are going to learn how to make a healthy syrup using garlic, ginger, apple cider vinegar, lemon juice and honey. All of these ingredients have excellent Ayurvedic medicinal values and they help us in controlling high blood pressure, cholesterol, remove toxins from our body, help us to lose weight, and relieves you from acid reflux. This is a home remedy which has helped me, but if you have chronic conditions, please consult with your doctor and then consume them. Pregnant ladies and nursing mothers, please do not use this. To make the syrup, we need half cup of garlic, half cup of ginger, half cup of apple cider vinegar, half cup of honey and half cup of lemon juice. Let's start to learn how to make the syrup. First, we are going to grind the ginger with some water. I'm going to use a food processor here. You can use a mixer or a blender, whichever you have. Grind the ginger until it becomes smooth. Ginger, garlic and lemon, they really make a powerful combination and they help you eliminate unwanted fat from your body. This Ayurvedic medicine has been used for a long time in India as a home remedy to control cholesterol and lose belly fat. After grinding the ginger, using a strainer, please strain the pulp and transfer it to a container. Squeeze it nicely with a spoon so all the ginger juice comes out. See how nicely all the juice is squeezed now. Now that the ginger juice is strained and kept in a container, we are going to grind the garlic. Add some water and grind until it becomes smooth. Garlic really helps you in lowering high blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Garlic has the ability to fight the bacteria, viruses and fungi too. After grinding the garlic, you can add this to the ginger juice. You don't have to strain this. After adding the garlic, you can add half cup of squeezed lemon juice. Lemon juice is rich in antioxidants and vitamin C and really helps you to fight the flu and cold. Next we are adding half cup of apple cider vinegar to this. Apple cider vinegar helps you in controlling blood sugar levels and it has been used medicinally for centuries for detoxing your body when consumed in small quantities or taken as a supplement. We are going to boil the syrup now, cool it and then add honey to this. Switch on the stove and start heating the syrup. Mixing it occasionally, bring it to a boil. After bringing to a boil, keep stirring it for about 10 minutes until the syrup thickens. When you are boiling the syrup, the aroma is too pungent, so please leave all the windows and doors open and put your exhaust fan. The syrup has reduced in quantity and it's become thick, so you can switch off the stove. We are going to store this syrup in a glass container and then keep it in the fridge and use it for a month or so. Leave it aside and cool it completely. When it has cooled down completely, you can add half cup of honey to this. Since ancient days, honey has been used as food and medicine. It's rich in antioxidants and it helps you in reducing high blood pressure and cholesterol. And it helps you to get a relief from sore throat and cough. Now that we have mixed all the ingredients, the syrup is ready. It can be stored in the fridge for almost 2 months without getting spoiled. And we can use it as needed. Now let's see how we can consume this syrup. Remove the syrup from the fridge and you can add 1 tablespoon or 5 ml of the syrup to 1 cup of warm water. It's recommended to take this syrup on empty stomach early in the morning, but I use it any time of the day. So you can also use it any time of the day. Your healthy syrup is ready from the Puliadis kitchen, and enjoy the health benefits from it. Thank you.